how are you? I hope you all are fine and having good time with your family. Today we are going to start our poem number 3. The name of the poem is McCavity, the Mystery Cat. This is written by T.S. Eliot. This poet always writes on the cartoon characters, humorous stories. You can see a many cartoon of this poet which is described in our cartoons channel, which is given on our cartoons channel. You can see, you can get this type of cartoon characters. Here the poet has described some type of cartoon characters. The name of that, the mystery McCavity, a mystery cat. ठीक है? So who is he? He is a cat, a very intelligent, yes of course, a criminal type of cat, where he has some type of criminal records where that we can't find it out. So let's begin the poem. McCavity's a mystery cat. He is called the hidden Poe. Why we say, what do you know the meaning of mystery? The meaning of mystery is रहस्य. ठीक है? The meaning of mystery is रहस्य. So what do you mean by this cat? She is a cat who is mystery. He is a mystery. So let's begin with it. He is called the hidden Poe. Why we call him a hidden Poe? Because he always do a crime and run from there. We can't find this cat at the place of the crime. Whenever the crime occurs, he went away. ठीक है? He goes. So for he is a master criminal who can defy the law. He is called the master of criminal who can break the law. There is no law for him. There is no law for him. उसके लिए कोई law अप्लाई ही नहीं होता है, because he is a mystery cat. He is the Devilman of Scotland Yard, the Flying Scots despair. Devilman, the meaning of Devilman is confused. The meaning of Devilman is confused. He always confused this Scotland Yard, headquarter of London police. Headquarter of London police is called Scotland Yard. He always confused the police headquarter people. The flying squads disappear. When the police or the military or the soldiers came to find out the mystery cat, he always despair. भाग जाते हैं, गुम हो जाते हैं. So, for when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. So, whenever the police or the soldier or the military reached at the place of crime, they can't find McCavity over there. He run away. So this is the first stanza that is given about the mystery cat. There is no law for him. He always confused the police, and he despair when the police come. And he never found the place where the crime occurs. Now move on to the second stanza. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. The name of the cat is McCavity. Students, please note this. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. No one is like McCavity and no one like him even. McCavity जैसा कोई नहीं हो सकता या McCavity को कोई like नहीं करता. See, in poems we have to decide, like the poet has written in which sense. We have to identify the meaning of the line by our own, because the poet describes there in their own language. ठीक है? As we know the figure of speech we have, so there are some figure of speech where they are having double meaning. So in poem, figure of speech always applies to the poem only. So this is the line that there is no one like McCavity. Maybe it feels that no one like McCavity or McCavity जैसा कोई नहीं हो सकता. He is broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. He always breaks. There is no apply for this McCavity. Human law कोई भी law, human का कोई भी law apply होता नहीं है McCavity के ऊपर. Why? Because we can't find at the place of crime. So there is no law for human law for this Machiavelli. He breaks the law of gravity and he jumps on the up to the sky. ठीक है, इतना बड़ा उनका जंप होता है. They shows like that कि Machiavelli इतना बड़ा जंप लगाते हैं कि वो हवा में उड़ जाते हैं ऐसा. It feels that gravity does not apply to this Machiavelli. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. See, kids, this word fakir has come from Hindi. Some of the words which they have taken from our own dictionary, from our Hindi dictionary, thug, fakir. So this type of words they have taken from our dictionary. Fakir means baba वगैरह जो होते हैं ना. So the power of levitation to be sit without any support, as you can have observed in some of the movies or maybe live, that some of the babas or fakir are standing up with their meditation power while sitting, like they don't have any support and they are on this height. So that is called levitation, would make a fakir stare. Machiavelli जो है, he jumps like that, so that levitation उनका it sees the levitation power of this Machiavelli, and after seeing this power, जो फकीर हैं, जो बाबा वगैरह हैं, they also stare at him. And when you reach the scene of crime, Machiavelli is not there, and whenever the police or the squad reach at the place of crime, they cannot find Machiavelli over there. So these are the two stanzas that we have studied. Now move on to the third one. Now kids, stanza number 3. Machiavelli is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Now this is given by the given about the Machiavelli, how Machiavelli is in looks and everything. He is from ginger cats. There are some caste of cats. We do have types of cats. So he is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. cat जो है वो बड़ा है, ठीक है, हाइट में, और thin मतलब पतला. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. If we see the Machiavelli, we can identify that this is Machiavelli because उनकी जो आंखें हैं वो अंदर हैं, ठीक है, उनकी आंखें अंदर हैं पूरी. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. He always, from his brows, from his eyebrows, we come to know that he is thinking something. The Machiavelli is thinking something, that he is in a great thought, that he is going to plan something, or he is deeply thinking something. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. उनका जो कोट है पूरा क्या है, डस्ट से है, पूरा डस्ट से भरा हुआ है, just because of neglection of the master. See, as I told you, we will not sure about the master. Machiavelli is working for his master or he is working for himself. ठीक है, so we will assume that maybe he is working for his master. So his master always neglect है, मतलब छोड़ देते हैं, जाओ, मतलब हमेशा उनको अनदेखा कर देना इस तरीके से. So उनका कोट जो है पूरा डस्ट से भरा हुआ है, and उनके जो whiskers हैं, that is like uncombed whiskers. See, this is the cat and this is called the whiskers. ठीक है, मूंछों को क्या कहा जाता है, whiskers are uncombed. He saws his head from side to side with movements like a snake. He always shake his head like this, and he always walk like a snake. His walk is not a proper. You always see in modeling what we are doing catwalk. So the word catwalk derives from cat only. Cat never walk in a same manner. He or she always walk like a snake, ठुमक के चलना like that. So the catwalk is derived from this word only, from this cat only. So the mystery, the Machiavelli always walk like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he always lies awake. And when you think that this cat is sleeping, ठीक है, जब आपको लगता है कि नहीं ये जो कैट है वो सो रहा है, but he never sleeps. He whenever he just do a bit of noise, he woke up. ठीक है, McCavity, there is no one like McCavity के जैसा कोई नहीं है. और he is a finch in feline shape. फिंच का मतलब क्या होता है? डेविल. ये बिल्ली के रूप में क्या है? डेविल है. अ मॉन्स्टर ऑफ डेप्रेविटी. मोरल करप्शन करने आया है. क्या करने आया है? मोरल करप्शन, लाइक आतंक फैलाने आया है ये. You may meet him in a by street. You may see him in the square. You will may see him in the somewhere like in the street side by walking. Like you can see him with the people like other cats or some people. You can see him in everywhere, but you can't see him whenever there is a crime. But when the crime is discovered, then McCavity not there. Whenever you find there is a crime, you can't find McCavity over there because McCavity is the mystery cat. So I hope you all have understood this poem properly. In the same way, I will send PDF of this poem also. You need to write that in your workbook. Till that, take care. Bye bye.